Nokia is the world's specialist in mobile broadband and invests in technologies where billions of devices are connected. Nokia operates at the forefront of each generation of mobile technology and provides the world's most efficient mobile networks. The intelligence to maximize the value of those networks and the services to make it all work seamlessly. In India, Nokia has been connecting people since 1995, the year when Indian telecom history was written and the first GSM call was made on a Nokia 2110 handset on a Nokia network. We haven't looked back since. From launching and helping in rapid growth of 2G GSM technology in early 2000 to bringing high-quality 3G services in 2011. Further on to pioneering of 4G LTE technology in India in 2012, we have been at the forefront of partnering with telecom operators in India. For Nokia, India is one of the 7 strategic markets with the largest employee base and 4th largest in terms of revenue. Nokia employs over 15,000 people across 27 locations in India and has a presence in almost all the major telecom circles in India. It comes as no surprise that today, 10 Indian telecom operators trust Nokia networks to supply, install and manage their networks, which means that over 30% of India's more than 900 million subscribers are on a network supported by us. The largest telecom operators in India rely on our latest innovations in technology and our dedicated workforce of over 9,000 service engineers to provide high-quality and far-reaching telecommunication services to the citizens of India. These experts, in addition to managing networks 24/7, have also ensured network uptime and availability for our customers during natural disasters such as tsunamis, earthquakes, cyclones and floods. And at the same time during big religious festivals like the Rath Yatra in Orissa, the Kumbh Mela in UP, Ambaji Temple Festival in Gujarat, etc., which demand huge network resource due to the gathering of millions of people. We also supply telecom infrastructure to the Indian Defence and are strategic telecommunication partners for Indian Railways, including the Kolkata Metro. India's significance is clearly reflected by the best-in-class manufacturing operations in Chennai, the global delivery centers in Noida and Chennai, and its R&D setups in Bangalore, making India a global hub for telecommunication innovation in products and services. Our global delivery centers in India service over 400 operators for various projects around the world and run networks remotely that carry over 2 million global subscribers. In addition, we have recently created a showcase center for monitoring and managing mobile internet service quality called Service Management Capability Center in Noida, the only vendor to do so. These centers today employ 4,000 highly skilled personnel who operate, manage, monitor and upgrade networks of telecom operators located in 86 countries around the world. Nokia has India's largest telecom manufacturing facility located at Chennai. Spread over 140,000 square meters, this manufacturing plant with best-in-class infrastructure manufactures and ships the complete gamut of telecom products for domestic and global markets. We were also the first to manufacture 3G and LTE products locally. We have recently been awarded the Rajiv Gandhi National Quality Award, the Economic Times Manufacturing Excellence Award, and several other prestigious awards. Crossing a significant milestone of manufacturing 2 million pieces of telecommunication equipment, Nokia remains strongly committed to manufacturing in India and has been a proponent of the Make in India program in the electronics segment since last several years. We at Nokia believe in harnessing the potential of local talent for R&D. The Bangalore Technology Center is one of the 4 main global R&D sites for the company. Employing over 3,000 engineers and undertaking research on various advanced global telecommunication technologies like WCDMA, small cells, CDMA, radio platforms, LTE, operational solution systems, voice and IP transformation, and packet core to name a few. Modernization of Indian telecom industry and Nokia's presence in India go hand in hand. Over the last 20 years, we have taken each step along with the nation's development. With India as a priority market, Nokia is committed to strengthening its India presence, supporting mobile operators in the next wave of mobile data revolution and leveraging India's world-leading talents in manufacturing, research and development, and global service delivery. As Nokia celebrates 150 years of its existence globally, inventing and reinventing itself with a strong technology lineage, today Nokia is committed to expanding human possibilities of technology, creating new opportunities and experiences for our customers, partners, and end users through human technology that helps people thrive.